Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to bulk import questions into QuizMaker from a CSV or Excel file? Obviously, the first step is installing our plugin, QuizMaker Question Importer plugin. After installing the plugin, navigate to the section within the QuizMaker and click the Import Question menu where you import your questions. First, download your import template from the plugin settings page. Start by creating a CSV or Excel file with your questions and their details. Each row in the file should represent a single question, and each column should contain different attributes of the question, such as the question title, options, correct answers, and any additional metadata. Now, fill question type in lowercase. Like radio, checkbox. Fill question title, question content, question weight. Note that question weight is premium feature of QuizMaker. So, it will show if you have the premium version. Paste your question's image full URL. To update question category, you need to put existing question category ID in this column. Fill your 5 answer options. If your radio question, answer option 1 is correct, fill number 1 in the correct answer column. If you are using multiple choice questions, and option 1, option 2, option 4 are correct, fill 1, 2, 4. Next, fill wrong answer text, right answer text, question hints, explanation columns if you want. Finally, save your CSV or XLSX template. Once you're satisfied with the preview, initiate the import process by drag and drop feature. The QuizMaker Question Importer will process the file and create individual questions based on the data in your CSV or Excel file. Isn't it great? Let's see if the questions are correctly imported. Please check the video description for the plugin link. So, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for tutorials related to QuizMaker.